like to see a demo. So Nahuel, you want to take it away?
Yeah, great. Well, what we are going to do right now is just a showcase. We're going to just try to pan around and look around what we have here in the scripting in Shine. So, first of all, you see that we have more than 400 scripts, as I say, on the public library. This is the public section. But we also have the possibility to upload, to create your own scripts on the My Script section, and also to try different things, to try different scripts on the draft section. So we have a really complete way to provide you to not only bring yourself the script that you have on the public library, but to create your own and to test your own. So this is the three sections, and if we start exploring the public section, we will find that there is a lot of scripts, as I said. But let's, for example, start exploring the first one. This is a B-Society CVE script that is linked to a CVE, actually a really recent one. We had a lot of B-Society scripts. We can see that every B-Society CVE that are related to a EDS remediation or an EDS detection that we can see here on this tag, they are all related, they are all linked to a CVE. So we can come here, for example, and you don't have to, I don't know, just select and then execute it. You don't have to believe that this is actually what it does. You can come here, read the description, read what it does, and you can actually see all the script, all the code, and you can even edit it. You can come here, copy as my script. You can, when you copy this as your script, you will have it on the my script section, and it will be identical to the one that you had on the public section. And you can come here and you can edit the script, the same script that you had on the public library, on the public section. You can edit it here. You can add whatever you want, change some values or whatever, and you can save it, and you will have it on the public library.
Yeah, I think that's a really important thing to highlight, because we're providing these scripts, but everyone's environment could be slightly different. So we're working with hundreds of different customers who maybe they're using the same application that is affected by the same vulnerability, but they're using it in slightly different ways. So one script that we provide that's works in a very broad set of environments might not work in their specific the way that they're using it. So having that as a starting point that you can go in, you can see what it's doing and say, oh, well, hey, I know we're using so-and-so service, so maybe I need to make this modification to work around that, or work around some other policy that's in the environment. It still does give you that starting point, and it's built into the same ecosystem as your vulnerability management tool. And that also means that these are approved, they're trusted. It's not like you're going out to have to search some other repository, Stack Overflow or a GitHub or something, where you're not so sure of the validity of that. Maybe you have to do some additional testing, which again is more effort, slows you down. Here you have something that's been validated by our team, or created by our team in a lot of cases, and it gives you a really great starting point to build off of, or in a lot of cases just run it as is. But you do have that flexibility and that option, which I think is very important.